Hello everyone, this is Unit 7, Weather and Seasons, Lesson 21, Measuring Weather. The weather. We know that the weather can be sunny, where the sky is clear and the sun is very strong, it's called sunny. Or the weather can be called cloudy, when there is too much clouds in the sky and it's covering the sun, it's called cloudy. The weather can also be rainy. When it starts to rain water, we call the weather rainy. The weather can be windy. Windy, what does windy mean? It means that there is too much air and this air is strong. It's called windy. Also, the weather can be called snowy. Snowy, when it starts to snow, we call the weather snowy. Today we're going to learn how to measure the weather. We can measure the weather by using a thermometer. It's used to measure if the weather is hot or cold. When it's really high and it's in the red zone, it's hot. It means that the weather is really hot. When it's really high, when it reaches a high point. The weather is cold when it reaches a low point. When it's low in the blue zone, it's cold. It's really cold. So this is how we measure hot and cold temperature. When it's high and in the red zone, it means it's a hot weather. When it's cold, it's in the blue zone and it's really low. This is called a thermometer. Let's try and solve this. People eating ice cream in summer. Does that mean that the weather is hot or cold? It's hot. The temperature is high in the red zone. Excellent. Next, Boo the bear is drinking hot chocolate in winter. Does that mean it's cold or hot? It's cold. It's in the blue zone. It's low temperature. Excellent. Ice in the freezer. Does that mean it's low or high? It's low. It's low in the blue zone. Excellent. Hot pot on the stove. Does that mean it's high temperature or low temperature? It's high in the red zone. Excellent. When it starts to snow, is that high temperature or low temperature? It's low. It's in the blue zone. Correct. Swimming at the beach. If I go swimming at the beach, does that mean it's summer or winter? It's summer, which means it's hot and it's high temperature in the red zone. Excellent. Also, we can measure the weather by using a wind sock. A wind sock. It's used to measure if there is wind and how strong is it. We can measure the wind by using this. Let's see. It can be none. If the wind sock is really low, it means that there is no wind. If it's a little bit higher, it's weak wind. Weak. If it goes a little bit higher, it's mild. This is where I know it's only mild. And if it becomes almost straight, it's strong wind. I know there is strong wind. If it becomes really straight, it means that's very strong wind. This is called a wind sock. Let's see this. Choose the correct answer. Is it none, mild, or very strong? This is mild. It's not weak or strong. It's mild. Excellent. Next, what about this one? Is it none, weak, or very strong? It's weak. Excellent. Next, what about this? Is it none, weak, or very strong? It's none. Excellent. What about this one? Is it none, weak, or strong? It's strong. Excellent. What about this? The one that's really straight. Is it very strong? Is it weak? Or is it strong? It's very strong. Thank you.